Meron akong ding ibang strategies na hindi mo na kailangan mag-nap to
Okay.
recharge yourself.
Can you tell us
Diba?
about that?
So, meron kaming ginagawa doon sa healing system namin. Yung tawag namin doon, navel breathing.
Navel.
Oo.
Pusod.
Kasi ang navel is the source of your energy and longevity.
Okay.
Pag malakas yung navel energy, you can live longer. You can live
How do
longer.
I know my navel?
Well, sa amin, we can measure it. We can scan whether your
Really?
navel is depleted
How do
or
you scan? Like there's a machine that
no,
goes?
by hand. Yeah,
oh,
we
wow.
just tune into the energy of your navel and we can measure it.
Oh, yung
So,
mga
kung
ganon.
depleted siya, then you can recharge it, di ba? So, like in your case, so check natin kung ano bang navel energy.
Paano yun, nakahiga? Parang may seremonyas yan.
Yeah, it is a little bit depleted for you.
Ay,
Now,
nakuha mo na yun ngayon? Oh my God. Oh my
May-
gosh, may puso. This cool.
Oo. So, pwede, kasi marami namang reasons bakit ka nadideplete, di ba? Pagod,
Kulang sa
stress,
tulog, oo.
or yung food, etc.
Excited.
Pwede rin.
I
Pero,
was excited yesterday.
oo, naubos. Meron tayong gawing experiment. Game ka ba?
Sige.
Oh, sige. Okay. You
Para
extend your arm.
My right
extend your
arm.
arm. Oh, whichever arm. I'll push it down.
Okay.
And then you try to resist it by
Okay.
pushing up.
Sige.
Okay, kontrahin mo ko. And then remember mo lang yung effort mo
Okay.
sa gagawin yan. Lakas mo Ang lakas ni Rose.
Nag-exercise
Very
na ako everyday.
strong. Okay, then you do the navel breathing.
Okay,
Okay?
I'll follow again.
Right hand
Right
under.
hand
Yeah.
under the belly.
Oo.
And then this one.
Connect. Round, okay? So focus ka on the navel. Nasa gitna.
Should I point like
No.
that? Hindi,
I'm
basta
just pointing it
focus
to you so that you know. And then you close your eyes and just breathe normally through your nose. Focus on your navel as you are breathing. 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day.
We should really put that in our routine,
Yeah.
Daily routine.
You can do it at the start of your day,
yes.
midday. So kung nagmi-meeting ka, tapos parang low-bat navel breathing ka. Kahit naka-zoom ka, di ba? Hindi ka stealth mode.
Pwede mong gawin kahit na halimbawa may ibang nagpa-present, sandali lang.
You can just
my
focus
God,
on the
that's so
navel,
nice.
di ba? Kasi
Oo.
yung oras mo, scroll ka lang ng scroll. O di mag-navel breathing ka. You can
Yun,
also
yan
do it
lang.
before sleeping, lying down.
Actually, it's best siguro to
Kasi
do that para pababain
pag wala
mo lahat.
kang, tsaka kailangan mo nga ng energy para matulog, di ba?